Hi, Melody. My name is Devin Norton. Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you for clicking on this video. In this short video, I'm going to show you 3 simple tips that you can implement right away on your website so you can start ranking higher on Google, specifically how you can beat Lawnsmith. Because if you type in Fort Worth Roofing, these guys show up right here at the top under Angie. You and I both know how much business comes from being there, so I'm going to show you what they're doing so you can beat them. Now you're probably asking, Devin, why the heck would you make me this video? And it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of contractors out there that are so busy running their business, taking care of their customers, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So what I started doing was just creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and they just do it themselves, but some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information, totally okay with me. This is just free education. My only goal is to help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to start off by saying you did a great job on the design of this website. It's very, very clean, and these are obviously original photos. At least some of them are. I mean, these look like actual DFW houses. I live in Flower Mound myself, so I recognize the style of the house. But this is a great photo, and then you have your vehicle truck wrap right in the front, which helps build that trust, and it separates you from that typical chuck in a truck that we see here in DFW. So, great job on the design. Unfortunately, Google doesn't care about the design. What they care about when it comes to ranking is all of this stuff right here, all of this content you can read. And the reason why is they send these little robots through the internet called crawlers, and what they do is they crawl through your content to look for keywords. A keyword, specifically a buyer intent keyword, is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're looking to purchase your services. So I pulled up some keywords you can use. Feel free to pause this video and write these down. You can put them in your content. But things like, for example, Fort Worth Roofing. 500 people search that every single month. Or like Fort Worth Roofing Company. 350 people search that every single month. And so you could just see with these 5 keywords here, maybe not Tarrant Roofing because that's your competitor, but just these 4 keywords, you got 1,500 plus 350. That's 1,850 people that are searching for roofing every single month. So imagine how different your life would look and how different your business would look if you were sitting first place in front of 1,850 people every month looking to purchase roofing in your area. Crazy, right? So here's how you do it. You're going to want to put these keywords inside of that content. So I just copied Fort Worth Roofing. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to search. And you can see Fort Worth Roofing. You don't have that keyword anywhere inside of your content. So you're definitely going to want to put that in there a couple times. Here's the other thing though. Google wants to see a lot of content. The average website on the front page of Google typically has around 1,500 words of content. So if I go and I copy all of yours and I paste into this word counter, you can see you currently have 466 words of content, which is a great starting spot. Good job on that. Now, if you want to look over at Lawnsmith, and we take all their content, and you can see right here, they're doing like keywords themselves, like I was telling you. But if we take all their content, we paste it, you can see they have 1,055 words. So they are beating you. However, the good news is they don't have 1,500 words either. So by getting yourself to that 1,500 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. Plus, you're going to give yourself room to naturally fit in these keywords like Fort Worth Roofing, Roofing Companies Fort Worth, Roofing Fort Worth, etc., etc. So that's all I've got for you as far as content. That's my first tip, Melody. My second tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is really important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest where they want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites linking to your website, vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites, which means you're going to get a much better result if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not selling pizzas. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but you don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker and you can find all the same data for free. So it says you currently have 15 websites linking to you with a total of 49 backlinks coming from those. That's a great start. If you want to see what Lawnsmith is doing, they have 335 websites linking to them for a total of 6.8 thousand backlinks. Now you might think, whoa, how the heck do I even start? Good news, they've done all the hard work for you, because if these 335 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, then they're trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you. So if I were in your shoes, what I would do is I would just copy them. I would go to all 335 of these websites one by one, and I would put a link on these websites back to yours the exact same way they did. So for example, like Angie, we all know Angie, you create a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, boom, you've got a backlink. Yellow Pages, same thing. Create a profile, put a link in your profile back to your homepage, boom, you've already got 2 backlinks. So it's really simple to do. It's just a little bit time consuming. But if you follow those 2 tips, if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked up here organically and start taking all that free business that they're currently getting. But I'm going to give you one last tip, and that's how to show up right here in the map pack. This is where the most calls actually go, and you can see there's a different person number 1, Fort Worth Roofing. Lon Smith is number 2. The reason why is it requires something different to be number 1 in the map pack. You need to have more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's just when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Angie or Yellow Pages or Yelp and stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, Melody, what I would do is I would figure out what directories Fort Worth Roofing was in. I'd put myself in all those exact same directories, but then I'd add a bunch more on top. So like if Fort Worth Roofing was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you, Melody. I hope you found this very informative and helpful. I tried to keep it very short and to the point for you. As a super quick recap, you're going to want 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords inside of your content. You're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Lon Smith and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Fort Worth Roofing. Melody, if you follow these 3 tips, that is enough to get you ranked number 1 on the entire front page of Google and get all the business growth that comes with that. Now you're probably asking, well, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. The first one is to take this information and implement it yourself. And that's a great route. If you decide to go that route, I do recommend you get started as soon as possible because it does take time to implement this. And the longer you wait, the more catching up you have to do as your competitors are already doing this. However, if you want to get this done, you don't feel like you have the time, or just you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. It's the same number I called you at earlier, and I'd be happy to at least hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, Melody, it was great speaking to you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this short video. I hope it was really helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day and an awesome week. I'll see you later. Bye.